The man stepped near the heart in an attempted carjacking near Kew Gardens has today been named as a top business executive and advisor to the government. Eric Salama was attacked by a knife-wielding assailant as he walked to his car from a cafe on Sunday morning. The 57-year-old suffered a stab wound to his chest from an enormous knife and staggered back to the cafe, where he was given medical help until paramedics arrived. Salama is said to be in a stable condition with non-life-threatening injuries. He is the CEO of the global marketing firm Kantartens and has served as an advisor to the government on e-commerce and business. He was also a speechwriter and researcher for Labour's Frontbench on Foreign Affairs from 1984 bis 1986. Mr. Salama is also a trustee of the British Museum and governor of Birkbeck College in London. A spokesman for Kantar said, "We can confirm that Mr. Salama was involved in the incident in Kew at the weekend. He is recovering well and our thoughts are with him and his family. We would like to request privacy for the family at this time." Mr. Salama had been chatting with staff at Café D'Orly about the weekend's football just before 8 am on Sunday before walking back to his car, a sporty Ford Focus AS. When he returned to the car, he found a thief sitting in the driver's seat and challenged him. Mr. Salama, who was described as a well-educated Kindman, was knifed in the chest and had to crawl to the cafe to raise the alarm. Shop owner Farzin Knitzri, 39, said, "It happened in a matter of minutes, 2 minutes, I saw blood, there was screaming." Eric is a decent man and has no problems with anybody. The person tried to steal his car, he asked, "What are you doing?" He was stabbed just near his heart, it was very bad, the knife was enormous, he was hit so hard that the knife it bent. Our staff managed to stem the bleeding, then we called his son and an ambulance. It was terrible, terrible. The man that did this was trying to steal his car, it was a carjacking, Eric was in the wrong place at the wrong time. Mr. Nitsiri fears that the extreme violence he witnessed on Sunday could be a sign of things to come for the area. He said, "It was very unexpected. I've been here for the past 10 years and I never experienced anything like that before the first time, but the next time it could be us, it could be me, and it could be anyone. We have to keep our eyes open now." Gino Gashi, 40, a barista at the cafe, confirmed that the victim is doing alright in hospital following the attack. he said, I was talking with him just minutes before, he was talking about the Chelsea and Arsenal game. We've heard from the Sun. He called a few hours after the attack and confirmed that Erik is doing alright. He was not doing anything wrong, he is educated, a kind man, and works in the city. This was a random attack. A local father, 42, said that he heard screaming just before 8 am, before 5 police cars arrived and cordoned off the scene. Another neighbor, in her 60s, said she saw a figure dressed in black running away from the scene at 7. am Punkt. She said, "We've been forgotten, there are never any police on patrol, we've even considered getting a private police force here." Police removed her car and a knife found at the scene for forensic examination. No arrests have been made. The stabbing in a usually quiet, leafy West London suburb has shocked Mr. Salama's neighbors. One said, "It is usually so quiet around here and just sickening to know it is one of our neighbors." There have been car crimes before, but nothing like this. Shocked neighbors described Mr. Salama as a private and hard-working man who often leaves the country on business. One, who is not to be named, said he is so notable in his industry, adding, "I haven't seen Erik in some time, but he is a hard-working man and has always traveling somewhere." When I do see him, he's coming back from a business trip, he might say hello, but that's about it really. He comes and he goes, he will stop and say hi. I usually see his black Ford parked outside. The attack took place less than half a mile from Mr. Salama's and Pfund. 8-meter home and close to the entrance of world-famous Kew Gardens. The area is usually busy with tourists visiting the famed gardens after exiting Kew Gardens underground station. Officers from the Southwest Command Unit are investigating and believe the suspect to be a black male who was wearing a dark hoodie and a skirt at the time of the incident. They are keen to speak to anyone who may have been in the area at the time of the incident. Superintendent Rob Applegard, from the Met Southwest Command Unit, said, "We recognize the community concern caused by this attack and will be conducting additional patrols in the area as a result." Although this happened fairly early in the morning, we know people would have been up and about and in the area at the time. We are keen to establish the exact circumstances of this incident and would ask anyone with information to contact police immediately. Mr. Salama is a consultant of the government on the questions of education, industry, creation and e-business. He has been CEO of the Kantar Group since April 2007. Mr. Salama also serves as a trustee of the British Museum and the Horse's Mouth Foundation.